What's up, guys?
Hey.
Stonnell's Vault. We have Marvel Collector-Corps. It's a very good box. You know, we like DC, but it's Women of Power. It's very interesting. They're gonna have a Harley thing next, month.
That's
so.
for DC.
Yeah. So
Yeah, this is Marvel.
I know. Just explaining.
Yes.
So we're gonna get right into it.
Yep, he's gonna cut her open.
See what it is.
Dun dun dun. Oh, that was loud.
I have the cardboard. All right.
Alright, no peekies. Well, actually, we can peek at this one. This one we could peek at. Yes, they packed this one to the guilds. Oh, I like that. That's cool. I don't know many of the females in Marvel, so I'm not really gonna be much for information on this stuff until we get to the pamphlet.
Yeah.
We're about to meet a bunch of them. Alright. Patch your pin first.
Two pins.
Alright. All DC,
Actually, I'll do the patch.
all Marvel and DC boxes come with a pin in the patch right on the first flap when you open it up. And here's the patch.
Look at that. Boom.
There she is. Nice and pretty. Alright, then we're going to move over to the pin. Now, let's see. The zoom hates me. So, let's see what happens, guys. Alright, he's going to do it. He's got bigger hands than I do. No, yes, maybe.
Alright.
But that was the pin.
So, we'll grab.
Oh, don't eat it.
That'll go over there. Shirt. Or whatever this is.
Yours.
This is wrapped. Are they always wrapped?
No, they're normally not. Fancy, fancy. Oh, it looks like the girl on the front.
Shit, I wasn't even thinking because it's extra large, but it's
Spider-Gwen.
Big ass shirt. I should just get larges.
There it is.
I look like such a fat guy, but I'm like, nah, I just don't think I needed it that big.
There it is. Nice and pretty. Now I'll switch it over on the next one. Alright, my turn. Comic book. Civil War 2. Guess to make fun of Captain America and Iron Man.
I have a pop in my hand.
Oh, don't. Of course you're going to have a pop in your hand. This is a Funko box. Pops are involved.
Sometimes.
Last month we got a pop, didn't we? No, we got a Brock candy last month.
Oh, then we got the 2-pack that was destroyed.
Oh, yeah. Well, here is the comic book. Let's take a nice page of artwork. No, that's... There we go. There's a good one. Very nice artwork. I'm definitely going to read that and see what's up. Poppy Pop. Oh my god, is that a little squirrel?
Squirl-Girl, exclusive Marvel Collector-Corps. What the hell is this?
There's
The
a
Unbeatable
squirrel.
Squirl-Girl. That's where Spider-Gwen is in. She-Hulk, Captain Marvel. I don't know. This shit is dope.
That's cool. She's got a little squirrel.
It's not gonna because of the reflection.
But there's a little squirrel in there, guys. It's so cute.
That is pretty cool. Not, I don't know anything about it, but it's
Always good to add. You peeked. You peeker. He peeks. Oh, these are mystery minis, aren't they? Well, I might as well grab both of them if I can. Alright, you get the other one. Alright, so.
That's it. So the artwork on these are always so wicked.
Yup. Got all the females going. Alright, let's open.
Your bobblehead did special.
Oh.
I hope we got one of each. There's only 2.
These two?
Collect them all. Yeah. It's the set. It's
Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Wee! So it's She-Hulk and Captain America?
Marvel.
Captain Marvel? Close enough. So that's everything in there?
Wow, that sucks.
Yeah.
It's disappointing.
Well, we don't know much about this, so that could be why it's disappointing, because we just don't know about the females.
So, we have the pin and the patch. The 2 minifigures. T-shirt was well thought out, and many changes that Gwen Stacy and the result of a fabulous Spider-Gwen design. Final printed shirt. Is the concept art behind the exclusive pop. Not really much going on here. Just some blurbs. I'm not going to really read that.
Definitely, if you guys are a fan of the females of Marvel, let us know if this was a good box. We weren't really into that. We don't really know many of these people, so...
Good box. We have a good surprise coming up for next box. It's going to be cool. And we're going to end this one, I guess, because there's nothing to talk about.
Do you have a favorite item?
The pop in the shirt.
Mine's definitely the pop, because it's a cute little squirrel. I like squirrels. So yeah.
That's that.
That's this box. Let us know what you think. If you want to subscribe to this box and any other boxes on our channel, links are down below. And like the video and subscribe.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.